Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare whey protein. We'll explore the three main types: concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Each form offers unique benefits and nutritional compositions, making them suitable for different goals. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which whey protein best fits your needs, whether you're building muscle, managing weight, or simply boosting your protein intake. Let's dive in and break down the specifics of each type. Whey protein concentrate is the most common and cost-effective option. It typically contains between 70% and 80% protein, with the remaining percentage made up of fats, carbohydrates, and lactose. This makes it a great choice for those looking for a good protein source without strict dietary restrictions. It's also known for its pleasant taste and creamy texture, making it a popular addition to shakes and smoothies. Moving on, whey protein isolate offers a higher protein content, typically over 90%, with significantly less lactose, fat, and carbohydrates. This makes it ideal for individuals with lactose sensitivities or those on stricter diets. Hydrolysate takes it a step further. It's pre-digested, meaning the protein has been broken down for even faster absorption. This makes hydrolysate an excellent choice for post-workout recovery, when rapid nutrient delivery is crucial. When choosing your whey protein, consider your personal dietary goals, budget, and any sensitivities you might have. If you're aiming for maximum protein with minimal extras, isolate or hydrolysate are excellent choices, especially for quick post-workout recovery. Concentrate offers a great balance of value and nutrition for general use. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay on track with your health journey. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.